Yeah, no. It's making it look like that. Too bright, isn't it?
Because the end's all mashed up.
No, it's just because it is what it is, the type of tool you're using. It's prone to just coming out undone on its own. It is what it is, they're not the best tools in the world.
There's a lock nut in it.
Right, so basically a follow on from last week, guys. We've got 3 high on that side. We're going to hopefully do 3 high at the back, and then 3 high on this side as well. And we're just putting that top one on, just over in the holes. And we've got to make 2 pegs and then pop it on. So what we'll probably do is we'll probably cut this short and come back when we've got it popped on. Otherwise it's just
It's going to be more of the same as last week, so hopefully.
But it just shows a bit of progress, doesn't it? And if you go on about the roof again, we'll wait and see how much time we've got as to how much progress we make.
Well, this is the last pole to go on this side. And
yeah,
then
but we did say we were going to go a bit higher, didn't we?
You did, I didn't.
Oh, I see. That's not been put up for vote yet, has it? I'll tell you what, I vote it goes on.
No.
You vote it doesn't.
Leave it at 3.
We need a tiebreaker. I need somebody to come in and vote. Right, okay. So we'll come back after I've beaten the shit out of me. I mean, we've had a conversation about whether we should put another one on. But yeah.
Pegs out. Yeah, about there.
There's enough hanging over both sides, so then when you then bring it up for the apex, there's enough overhang so it'll pull it up and still have enough over to fix.
And
what are we doing? Are we pegging through into the tree?
Yeah.
I would.
Yeah.
So tempted to go back to the old saws, you know.
Yeah, I know.
What were they called again? The
Baco Laplanders.
Fucking Baco Laplanders. Just the blades were just that little bit thicker. And it cut on both the pull and the push.
Yeah.
Cut, didn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Aren't they what they call the oars?
Noah. My name's Noah. Okay.
So these are the apex timbers. These are the ones that are going to be crossing over. So then the apex pole can sit on top. Or the cross pole rather. We just notched the ends,
Yeah,
so then we can...
much length on top now, have we?
What?
You know, for the apex pole to sit on.
Should be fine.
We'll suss it out.
We can notch it on top on the back side, you know, so there's like a groove for it to sit in.
There's always a will.
Make like a key for it to sit in.
Yeah, like a...
Yeah.
Yeah, that is. Right, okay. Next phase. Like some fucking mad scientist when I do that.
Stop doing it then.
So, what we've got to try and do, Matt, is get it so that wherever we on one side, I mean, wherever we put that, it's got to be the same on the other side so that they then both meet and match.
Well, shouldn't we peg them both together first?
Well,
then you'll have your right angle.
Yeah, but then that's going to be dead awkward too. How on earth are we going to...
And then one person holds it while the other person drills the hole for the peg. That's the only other way we're going to do it.
Might have to put the ladder on this side and tie the ladder to the tree. And then climb up that way and have somebody on this side as well.
Yeah.
So you want to peg them two together then?
Yeah.
Now?
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Okay, so we're just eyeing up this. We've got both of the roof supports, timbers, not pegged together, like so. I need to get something to mark this on the tree, and then I can start augering the tree hole. Let me just step back a minute.
Don't worry about me, son, I'm fine.
Yeah, that's what it looks like, guys, at this present moment. So we'll get it augered in, and I'll come back. I'll come back.
When you've sorted your lips out, I'm starting to shake with fatigue here, pal.
Alright. Okay, everyone. Cooking on gas now. We've got it pegged into the tree on both ends. Like so. It's quite solid. We just need to make room on the top for the apex pole to sit on top to go across. So we're going to trim the edges of these down a little bit to create more room there for the pole to sit on. Yeah, we cut them too short, but won't have to matter. And we've changed this. Why don't you focus? There we go. Change the plan. We're not going to notch the top of the log and these. Instead, we're going to do a cross brace.
It'll go across.
It'll go across, and it'll be pegged. So then these
have more strength.
Have more strength, and it'll be a proper triangle. so then it'll stop it splaying out.
Yeah, yeah.
And the
It'll
paste
just
coming loose.
help take some of the pressure and the weight.
And there won't be much weight on it, but it's just logs. But
We'll see.
yeah.
So I've just added a pole to the front, wedged in the front end, so that when we are eventually actually so lay down in here, it gives us a little bit of there's my background. A little bit of wind protection. We may even go one higher than that, just so that when you lay down you are pretty much protected from wind and stuff on all four sides. But we don't want to go 3 up because it'd be too high, because we need to be able to get over and get in. And we're hopefully going to pop a ladder on the front as well, a proper long one. Okie dokie. So I'm going to sign off. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Most of all, subscribe, because that's what helps drive the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like any of the content. We've got plenty of playlists. We've got over 80 videos now that you can sort of binge watch. So please, give things a look, give things a like, and we shall see you in the next one. Ta-da.